Morning. Today we will read quadratic equation 5 best problem part 2. First question is speed of stream is 2 km per hour. A boat crosses 21 km and returns in 10 hours. Calculate the speed of the boat. Let the speed of the boat is x km per hour. The time taken by the boat to cross 21 km and return back will be 21 km up the stream and the down the stream. Down the stream, this much time will be required, and up the stream, this much time will be required. This is equal to 10 hours according to the question. Now we will construct a binomial, a quadratic equation x minus 2 into x minus x plus 2x minus 2, 21 into x minus 2 plus 21 into x plus 2 equal to 10. Is that clear? Now 21 into this is equal to 2x. Okay, x square minus 4 is equal to 10. A plus b into a minus b formula. Now this is equal to 10x square minus 42x minus 40 equal to 0. That is equal to 5x square minus 21x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now we'll construct factorize it. By factorization, 5x square minus 25x minus 24x minus 4x plus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. What is 5x common? X minus 5 plus 4 and x minus 5 equal to 0. That is equal to, okay, 2 will be equal to x minus 5 into 5x plus 4 equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 5, or x is equal to will be minus 4 by 5. Speed of the boat cannot be negative, so speed of the boat will be 5 km per hour. Okay. Now the second question is, we will factorize into 5x square minus 20x plus 4. Now the factorization will be like this: 25x square minus 20x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we'll find two number that will, when we multiply that two number, that will be 25 into 4 is equal to 100, and when you add that number, that will be minus 20. Okay, these two numbers are 25x square minus 10x minus 10x. Is that clear? Plus 4 is equal to 0. And this is 5x common, 5x minus 2, okay, minus 2 common, 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now 5x minus 2 into 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the factorization. Okay, or 5x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now question number 3. If the price of the apple drops to 6 per 12 pieces, one can get 3 more in rush 30. Find the initial price of the apple. Let the initial price be x. Let the initial price x. Then in rush 30 we'll get 30 by x number of apples. Now the apple drops, the price of the apple drops rush 6 per 12 pieces. 6 for 12 pieces. Okay, now 12 pieces, 6 pieces drop, 1 piece half rupees drop. Okay, now the new price will be, new price of apple will be x minus half. Okay, per piece. Okay, now number of apple will be 30 rupees. We'll get x minus half, that is 30 by 2x minus 1 into 2, that is 60 by 2x minus 1. According to the question, this number is greater than this number. Okay, 60 by 2x minus 1 minus 30 by x is equal to 3. We'll get 3 number of more apples. Now 2x minus 1 into x. Okay, 60x minus 30 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. Is that clear? Now solve this equation. Okay, 60x minus 60x plus 30 minus minus plus is equal to 3 into 2x square minus x. Okay, 66 cancel, and 6x square minus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now 3 will common, 2x square minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now factorize it. 2x square minus 5x plus 4x. Okay, 5 into 4 is 20, minus 20, okay, minus 10 is equal to 0. Now x is common here, 2x minus 5 plus 2 common here, 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Is 2x minus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 5 by 2 or x is equal to minus 1. The price cannot be negative, so the price will be 2.5 rupees per piece, initial price. Let it check. The initial price is 2.5. This one in 30 rupees we will get 2.5, 12 number of pieces. Okay, now if the price drops by 0.5, the new price will be 2. Then in rows 30 we will get 15 numbers of apples. Now what is the one number of apple? That is 3 number, 1 number of apple. Okay. Now solve for x. Nine x square plus 30x plus 31 equal to 0. Now put the formula here, Siddharth Acharya's. Okay. B square minus 4AC will be, B square means 30 square minus 4 into A means 9, C means 31. Okay, that is 900 minus, this will be this will be 1116. Okay, now this will be minus 216, that is B square minus 4AC is a minus. Okay, the root over B square minus 4AC is equal to root over minus 216, that is, this is an imaginary number, so the roots will be imaginary number. Now x is equal to, by Siddharth Acharya formula, minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, minus b means minus 30 plus or minus b square minus 4ac minus 216 by 2a. 2 means 2a means 18. Okay, the alpha will be minus 30 plus root minus 16 by 18, and beta will be minus 30 minus root over minus 216 by 18. These are the two roots. Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5 is, we will found a quadratic equation. We will find the Siddharth Acharya formula, that is AB belongs to R, A is not equal to 0. Find the roots. Roots will be the, this part of the equation will make it whole square. Okay, now divide both sides, dividing both sides by a, this will be x square plus b by a x plus c by a equal to 0. Okay, now make this whole number whole square, and is x square plus 2 into a into b. B means 2b by a. Okay, b by 2a. Okay, 2 cancel, b by a x plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a is equal to 0. Okay, a plus b whole square, that is x plus b by 2a whole square minus b square by 4a square. Okay, plus c by a is equal to 0. Now this will be x plus b by 2a whole square. This will be equal to 4a square b square minus 4ac. This will be minus, okay, minus 4ac. Now x plus b by 2a. Okay, taking square roots, it will be b square minus 4ac by 2a and plus or minus. Okay, x will be minus b by 2a plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. That will be minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. The value of the x will be minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, thank you.